Hi guys, I'm Luciana Virgilio, and today you're gonna learn how to do dulce de leche delights, or we call them in Argentina alfajores de maicena. They're super easy to do. You only gonna need a couple ingredients and people are gonna love it. It's sweet, delicious, and trust me, everybody's gonna wanna learn this recipe from you. So let's do this together. Let me go to the ingredients now. So the first thing you're gonna need is 200 grams of butter, 3 yolks, 150 grams of sugar, a tablespoon of shredded lemon peel, a tablespoon of vanilla extract. You also gonna need 200 grams of all-purpose flour and 300 grams of cornstarch. You also gonna need baking soda, about half a teaspoon, and then a teaspoon of baking powder. And for the filler, you're gonna need 380 grams of dulce de leche, and I found it, this is the one I bought from Nestle, and you can find these at Walmart, Stater Brothers, anywhere where it's the Hispanic aisle. And then I also have a cup of coconut flakes. So now we're gonna mix, we're gonna go to my best friend right here, the KitchenAid mixer. I do everything with this machine. It's amazing. It's gonna make your life easier. So if you don't have one, I recommend for you to buy one. Trust me, you're gonna love it. She's gonna be your best friend. So let's put the butter first. So we're gonna start adding some ingredients. And let's put the sugar as well. And now we're gonna mix this together at a medium. And you also, little by little, you're gonna keep adding a yolk at a time. After you add the yolk, right after, you can add the vanilla and the lemon as well. And let it get mixed for about 3 minutes, and then I'll show you what's next. Okay, so after you mix it for 3 minutes, so it's all done. Let me put these down. We're gonna go ahead and put these on the middle of the, like a countertop. But let me show you. So what you're gonna do next, you're gonna mix the dry ingredients all together. So let's put everything right here. And so you put the cornstarch, flour, the baking powder, and the baking soda. And after you mix all that together, just try to make like a little hole in the middle. And then this is where you're gonna put the what you had on the mixer. So after you put these here, all you have to do is we're gonna knit this together, and then I'll show you how to cut it. And we're gonna preheat the oven at 350, and I'll show you how to cut the little cookies and put them in the oven, and then we'll do what's next. So let's mix it together. And I hope you're having fun when you do this, because I do. I love cooking. This is my passion, and I just love to do it. Okay guys, welcome back, and here I am kneading all this together. And if you see little like crumbs like this, you can just grab a piece of your dough and go like this. And I actually put some cornstarch on the table because it's gonna be easy to work on it. So you can actually divide the dough, and then trust me, you're gonna love this. So now we're gonna actually do these. And you get a roller and you start working on the dough. And it looks like it's breaking, but that's because we use the cornstarch, and that's the only reason why, but you're gonna love this. So after you have something like this, I'll show you how thick you want it. You wanna start cutting them. And you can lift it with anything. I like this tool, very nice. So this is how thick you want it. It's like a cookie, and then you start putting it on the cookie sheet. Like this. Make sure you leave some space in between because they get a little bigger. And easy as this. And then you're gonna go ahead and put it on the oven that you already preheat at 350. You're gonna cook it about 10 to 15 minutes, and I'll show you what to look for. So I'm gonna keep working on the dough, finish this recipe and put it in the oven, and I'll show you the final results. Hi guys, and welcome back. Let me show you what the results are and what you have to look for on the cookies. So what you have to look is that the bottom of the cookies are golden brown like this. So what I did is I cooked them for 13 minutes to be exactly. And the thickness of the cookie, it's a quarter of an inch, and then it's about 2 inches wide. So with the recipe I just gave you, you can make 60 cookies, and that will make 30 dulce de leche delights or alfajores de maicena. And I'll show you how to do this now. So you're gonna grab each cookie. Oh, and by the way, let it cool down for about 30 minutes. After they're cooled down for that amount of time, you're gonna do these. So you can just put dulce de leche, and you can put whatever match you want. We love dulce de leche, so. And you don't have to put it on both cookies. You can just put it on one, and then you press like this. And that's it. And then you roll it on the coconut flakes. You roll it like this, and here you have a delicious dulce de leche delights, or alfajores de maicena. So you can make as many as you want. Like I said, with this recipe I gave you, you can make 30 of them. So let's keep making another one, and then we'll try it together. And it's super easy, super simple. You just stick it together, you press a little bit, and see with the extra dulce de leche you have around, you just roll it on the coconut. And if you don't like coconut flakes, you can do it without that. Some people put powdered sugar around, it's up to you. And you can make as many as you want. So I'm gonna try one, that way you know how good it is. Look, it's so good, you'll love it. It's so good. Amazing. It's yummy. It will go to, you can eat it with a cup of tea, with your friends, somebody coming over on a Sunday and you don't know what to do. This is the perfect recipe. Trust me, you want to keep eating and eating them because they're so good. I hope you like my recipe. Subscribe to my channel, and let me know, leave me comments below to see what you like or what other recipes you would like to see. Okay, I'll see you guys next time. Bye.